Welcome to Road Ready Review. Today, we're checking out the highly anticipated 2026 Dodge D100, a modern revival of an American classic that blends power, style, and advanced technology. Let's dive in. The 2026 Dodge D100 redefines the pickup segment with a bold, retro-modern design and impressive performance. Under the hood, it offers multiple powertrain options. The base model features a 3.6 V6 engine, producing 305 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. For those craving more power, a 5.7L Hemi V8 delivers 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. Dodge also introduces a hybrid variant, combining a turbocharged inline-4 with an electric motor, pushing out 375 horsepower while improving fuel efficiency. The front end showcases a bold grille with Dodge's signature crosshair design, flanked by futuristic LED headlights that give the D100 a commanding presence. The sculpted hood features air vents for improved cooling, while the front bumper integrates a skid plate, adding to its rugged appeal. Moving to the side, the D100's high-strength aluminum body panels enhance durability without adding excessive weight. The muscular fender flares house 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, ensuring both style and off-road capability. The frameless side glass provides a sleek, modern look, while the blacked-out A-pillars create a floating roof effect. At the back, the D100 features LED taillights with a C-shaped signature, a robust tailgate with an integrated spoiler, and a dual exhaust system for a sportier touch. The tailgate also includes a multi-function design, making it easier to load cargo. Flush-mounted, body-colored door handles blend seamlessly into the design, maintaining a clean and sophisticated aesthetic. Inside, the 2026 Dodge D100 offers a mix of rugged durability and high-tech luxury. The dashboard is wrapped in soft-touch materials and accented with brushed aluminum, giving it a premium feel. A massive 14-inch LCD infotainment screen dominates the center console, offering seamless access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The side doors are designed with practicality in mind, featuring deep storage pockets and illuminated controls. The gear selector is a rotary dial, adding to the truck's modern appeal, while the red illuminated start-stop button gives a performance-inspired touch. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and equipped with multifunctional controls for hands-free driving, adaptive cruise control, and drive mode selection. The front seats are designed for long-haul comfort, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. In the rear, passengers enjoy individual captain's chairs with a foldable table in between, creating a first-class experience for long journeys. The spacious back seats offer excellent legroom, and premium upholstery ensures maximum comfort. Cargo space is generous, with a well-sized truck bed featuring a built-in power outlet and LED lighting for convenience. The cabin also includes multiple hidden storage compartments, ensuring practicality without compromising style. The 2026 Dodge D100 starts at an estimated $38,000 for the base model, while the V8 variant reaches around $50,000. The hybrid option is expected to be priced at approximately $45,000. With its blend of power, innovation, and retro charm, the D100 offers incredible value in the modern truck market. The 2026 Dodge D100 is a perfect combination of classic American muscle, modern technology, and everyday practicality, making it a standout choice in the pickup segment. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car and truck reviews here on Road Ready Review.